Dwayne John Bravo is a Trinidadian cricketer and a former captain of the West Indies cricket team. A genuine right-arm fast-bowling all-rounder, well known for his aggressive batting in the lower order and for the variety of lengths in last overs. During his prime, he was regarded as one of the best death bowlers in T20 cricket. He also performs as a singer. Since 2004, Bravo has played 40 test matches, 164 one-day internationals, and 91 T20 internationals for the West Indies. He was a key member of the West Indies team that won the 2004 ICC Champions Trophy, the 2012 ICC World T20 and the 2016 ICC World T20. In domestic cricket, Bravo has played for his native Trinidad and Tobago since 2002. He has also played for the Chennai Super Kings, Gujarat Lions and Mumbai Indians in the Indian Premier League, the Lahore Qalandars and Quetta Gladiators in the Pakistan Super League, the Melbourne Stars and Melbourne Renegades in the Big Bash League, the Chittagong Kings in the Bangladesh Premier League, and Kent and Essex in English county cricket. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.